In this screencast, we're going to see how to use Statkey, the web tool that comes with our textbook, to find the correlation coefficient between the size of a home in finished square feet and the price of a home in Fitchburg. And we'll also find the equation of the least squares regression line, predicting the price from the size. So first we have to find the data. Go to our website, go to our data bank, and here we are, Dane County Homes. So let's open that up, and let's go to Fitchburg. And the two variables we're interested in are the size, total finished square feet, column F, and the price. So I'm going to copy both of those. I click on the F, and I hit the Control key, and then move over and click on the B, and now I've got just those two highlighted. Copy, and now I'm going to open a brand new separate worksheet and paste them in. Now I'm almost ready to use Statkey. One crazy thing about Statkey, though, is that it does not like dollar signs and it does not like commas. So I go to I select column A, and for the number type, I switch it to general, and now no commas, no dollar signs. So now I'm ready to put this into Statkey. So now I grab both those columns together, highlight them, copy, and then I need to go to Statkey. So on my computer, I've used Statkey before, so all I have to do is start typing Statkey, and it comes up. You can also get there from the syllabus and more section of our website. So here's Statkey, and home size is a quantitative variable, home price is a quantitative variable, so this is the one I want. Edit the data, highlight what it's got, put in what I've got, go up and check that yes, there's a header row, price and finished square feet, so hit OK. Now look at these numbers down here. These are in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is the price, and this is the total finished square feet. But I really want them the other way around. I want to see how the size influences the price. So I switch the variables. And now I see, oh yes, 2,000 square feet homes cost in this range. 3,000 square feet homes cost in this range. And we see that there's a pretty strong correlation that, unsurprisingly, the bigger the house, the more it costs. I'll tell it to show the regression line. So this is a scatter plot, which just lets me visualize and see how well the total finished square feet is related to the price. And then over here we have the numbers. The correlation is 0.854, and then the slope and intercept of the correlation of the least squares regression line are around it to 109 and 36,076. So these are the relevant numbers I want. So I'm going to copy them, take them to my Word document, paste them in so I don't have to look. Okay, so correlation coefficient 0.854. That's quite strong, very, very strong correlation. It's positive, which tells you that the bigger the house, the more it costs, which is no surprise. And then the equation for the least squares regression line, well, let's get the format right. So the form we want is y hat, which is this one. I'm going to call it y, I'll call it price. And that little hat on top means it's predicted price, equals the slope, 109 times square feet, plus 36,076. So that's the equation for the least squares regression line. It tells us that the predicted price of a house is 109 times the number of square feet it has, plus 36,076, and that's the price in dollars. An interpretation of the slope for each additional square foot house has, predicted price goes up by $109. and that's the interpretation of the slope, not the slop. So that's how you do it in Statkey.